I'm Jody Messina. Each year, the State Collaborative on Reforming Education, or SCORE, recognizes the schools and districts across Tennessee that have most dramatically improved student achievement. These communities are setting the bar high for what's possible for our students. As a mom and a Tennessean, I have a vested interest in supporting our state's public schools. I believe in the importance of making sure all students are prepared for whatever they want to do after high school, from being a doctor to being a musician. As my sons grow up, I know how important it is for them to receive a great education so that they can be successful no matter what they choose to do. And our state is making important strides so that every student has that choice. I hope that you'll join me on October 28th in Nashville as SCORE awards the 3rd annual SCORE Prize to the elementary, middle, and high school in Tennessee, along with one school district that have most dramatically improved student achievement. Tennessee has set the goal that every student will graduate from high school prepared for college and the workforce. So join me in celebrating our progress.